Today I wanted to share how you can use the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 to film your life. Insta360 sent me this set, so I'll give you all the features, recommended settings, and the camera in action. Before we start, I just wanted to share some of the key features of the camera, but if you already know this, you can skip right ahead. The camera itself is pretty aesthetic and chic, but if you add the grip kit, it will feel a little bit more premium and sturdy and a lot more comfortable to hold. I think especially if you're going to take this out to take photos. There's a 2.5-inch flip touchscreen with a hood. This is obviously super helpful for vloggers. It is also waterproof and pretty durable, so it's great for everyday use and outdoor activities as well. They have 8K at 30 FPS, which is nice if you need to crop in. They also have a 4K clarity zoom. You just tap twice on the touchscreen and zoom in. You can film vlogs on it, but if you get the flash print bundle, it comes with this photo printer. So I'll show you how this works later. Now let me go over my camera settings with you. The bitrate is on high, sharpness is at medium or low, color profile is standard for most scenarios, video mode, 4K video mode for daylight shots, and you can do 4K 60p plus active HDR on. The EV is at 0, the white balance is auto or daylight if you're filming outdoors in the sunlight, metering mode on face priority, and I use Mega View for vlogging. And for the audio, you can select the voice enhancement mode for vlogging if you want. For the behind the scenes portions, I'm using this mic just to talk to you guys clearly, but for the example vlog at the end, I'll just use the internal mic that they have on the camera so you can kind of hear what it sounds like. So we've decided that we're gonna go to Honolulu Museum today so I can kind of show you behind the scenes this camera in real time. So I'll give you tips along the way, and I'm just gonna shoot like a fake vlog that I can show you at the end, like a final product. Good morning. Today we're gonna go to Honolulu Museum with the family just to try to get out of the house and maybe grab some lunch. Hopefully baby cooperates today. We'll see how it goes. And that's it. So we just got here, and before we go inside, I'm just gonna try and grab like an establishing shot. I'm gonna try to get one wide shot maybe. We're just gonna grab some lunch first, as usual, so we're not hangry. Just a very quick tip on lighting. Like when you're out and about, you don't really have the, the luxury of setting up lights or anything, but I'll show you like an example of sitting here versus there, because the light is coming in from that side. So if I'm here, at least the light is on my face and I'm not backlit. It's not always perfect, but you can just find the best situation with the natural light that you have. Yeah, let me show you real quick. So this is like the lighting right in front with the natural sunlight coming in towards this way. So this is probably what I'll get. And let me show you what it looks like if I go to the other side. If I sit right here, now the light is behind me. So it's like very backlit. And what's good about like the Ace Pro 2 and this kind of camera is it tries to compensate, right? So it's trying its best, but it's definitely like struggling to balance like this bright light behind me and like there's no light on my face. So I'm gonna go back to the other side. Just gonna get one overhead shot of the food. Always good to get. And then just a quick one of me eating. Ooh, love how wide it is. That's actually good. I feel like this is the most pretty outdoor area here. It has like the signature teal, is that teal color tiles? It's super cute. So I'm gonna get some B-roll, maybe try to get some shots of us together. Is she waking up? Shh, 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 shh. Lower. Shh, 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 shh. Oh, there's the bird. So I'm currently shooting on standard, but they do have like a few filters that you can play around with. So I just want to show you the comparison between each one. So, if you're not really interested in color grading or anything, then I feel like that's a good way that you can have a consistent look. What's good about this type of camera is that it's pretty stable. Like it's not a gimbal or anything, but the movements are really smooth. So if you do want movement, then you can, move around with it, and you can get like really smooth shots, like when you're walking into the space. Something like this where there's a lot of symmetry, it's good to maybe center frame it compared to when you start not center framing, it gets a little warped. Or again, you can do 2x if you're trying to get something like that. I feel like that looks like a nice composition. And then maybe when you're trying to get the space, since this is an action cam, I feel like something where you're revealing the space so you can really utilize like this wide lens. See, look how smooth that is. Like even when I'm walking, it's so smooth. Do, 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 do. Unfortunately, we can't film inside the galleries, so we kind of have to work with just what's outside. So I think that's it for the vlog portion, but I did want to take some photos because this you can do photo too, and I have like the printer. Baby is sleeping right now, but this is her first museum outing, and I don't really have a lot of photos with her because I tend to be the one taking the photos, so I'm gonna have Jack try to get like one nice photo of us, hopefully, and then I can put it in our little scrapbook. So that is the plan for the rest of the day.
One more? One more. One more. Nailed it.
Now that I have all the footage, I wanted to edit it all together, but before I do that, I want to show you how to use the printer. So it's super easy. Like this is what it looks like when it's connected together, and it connects pretty easy. Go to your Bluetooth settings to connect to the printer, and then from there you just scroll through the photos, pick the ones that you want, and then you can print it out. The way I'm planning to use these photos is I have a baby journal that I started when my baby was born, and I write in it once in a while, like when she's achieving a milestone or I just want to write a letter to her. And since this was her first museum day, I thought I could like put this together in a page and write a little snippet. You know, these photos are tiny, so it's like perfect for that kind of thing. If you have like a little scrapbook or something, super cute, or you can put it on your fridge. And honestly, the quality of the photos are not like phenomenal or anything, but it is a cute little keepsake. I think it would be super sweet if you're out with your friends and you take photos, and you know, we always have the digital files on our phone, but if you have this, you can like print a photo for them on the spot and they can take it home. Now here's all the footage put together in a mini vlog for you. Good morning. Today we're gonna go to Honolulu Museum with the family, just to try to get out of the house and maybe grab some lunch. Ate it clean. Jen's first museum. And lastly, I have some additional tips that I wanted to share with you guys. For the low light, I would change it to pure video mode. 4K 30 FPS is best for low light image quality. I usually don't take these kind of cameras outdoors at nighttime. I think they do best in daylight, but if you do shoot at night, I would recommend those settings. So for this vlog, we use the Mega View for vlogging, but if you're doing POVs, you can do the Action View. The Ultra Wide is better for outdoor sports, and D-Warp and Linear is also good for vlogs because there's a little bit less distortion on the edges. They also have a wind reduction mode for windy conditions, or you can connect with an external mic air for the best quality audio. And when you're exporting for YouTube, this is the export settings that they recommend. And lastly, for the color profile, like I said, we use the standard mode because Jack likes to tweak the colors just a little bit. But they do also have iLog, which they recommend like if you're used to color grading or you're someone that wants to color. But if you're a beginner and you really don't want to touch any of that, they also have a bunch of the different filters that you can play around with. I would just like play around with each one, or like see the one that you like, and then you really don't have to do anything. You just shoot and then you can edit and you don't have to touch the color at all. So a fun way to just get some color, like a stylized look on it. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do want to buy the camera, I do have my link in the description box. You get a free gift with my link, and at the time that this video is released, they will also be doing a spring sale. So if you plan on buying it, I think now is the time. If you're watching this video later, I do still think that you get a free gift with my link, and it is a great way for you to support my channel if you want. It does help us a lot if you buy from our link, if you're gonna buy it anyway. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.